So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on transforming from vertex form into standard form. You can see an example of each. Vertex form is right here. Standard form is right here. The one on the right, standard form, is what we normally see it written. So we just need to be able to go from one to the other. It's very simple to do. We're simply just going to follow PEMDAS. PEMDAS parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So if we look at this first one, example 1, we have y equals 3 times x plus 4 squared minus 7. So according to PEMDAS, we do our exponents first, which of course we can't because x plus 4 we can't simplify any. So that takes us to our exponents. So that means we're going to take this and we're going to square x plus 4 squared. And if you need to go off the side and do that, feel free to, but you're going to get x squared plus 8x plus 16 and then minus 7. And at that point, now we can start over again. Parentheses we still can't do. There's no more exponents. So now it's multiplication, so we're going to be distributing the 3, which will give us 3x squared plus 24x plus 48 minus 7. And then finally, we can simplify that to its most simplified form. 3x squared, we can not do anything with 24x. The 48 minus 7 is going to give us 41. So if we take this equation and we transform it into this equation, they are equal to each other. We'll learn later on what vertex form does for us, that you can actually pick out the vertex there. But standard form is the way it's normally going to be written, so you can get their A, B, and C, which you'll need in various times. But they're both useful. You've got to be able to do both. Second one, we're still trying to get to standard form, which means it needs to look like that. So we just go through and just work through, solve it, logically. 3x times 4x is 12x squared. 3x times negative 8 is negative 24x, and that equals y minus 12. Now the goal is to get in standard form, which is y equals, so that's what we need to do, make it equal to y equals. In this case, I need to get the y by itself, so I'm just going to simply add the 12, which gives me 12x squared minus 24x plus 12 equals y. So we've taken one like this and transformed it into standard form. And that's it. You got two examples there. Standard. The main idea is trying to change your equations into standard form, whether they start at vertex form or what looks like vertex form but isn't, and transform it into standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. First person in each class to come up to me and fist bump me and say hallelujah will get 5 points added to their quiz.